Hello there, beauty ravers, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Raven, and this is where I like to rave about beauty. If you would ever so kindly hit that like and subscribe button to become part of my little family here on YouTube, it means so much to me. Now, without further ado, let's jump on in to the video. Hi guys, today we are unboxing my September Boxycharm box, and we're also going to be announcing the giveaway winner for my 600 subscriber giveaway. I will get into that later on in the video, but first, let's go ahead and open her up. 1, 2, 3, hello charmers! Alright, so let's see what we got in this beautiful box. I'm going to grab the card, but I don't like spoilers, so I'm not going to read it, but I will show you our theme. So what is our theme? What is this beauty? Oh, okay, so it's just got a bunch of beauty supplies and makeup and such on this beautiful card. I am not going to read it, like I said, but I am going to grab the first thing in the box, and that's going to be this. Now, what is this? This is the Quick Slick from insert name here, I&H. I don't know, never heard of the brand, but we're going to see what it is. And it's this hair essence. I didn't expect it to be a hair product because it looks like it's a makeup product, but this is a hair essence, and let's see if we can figure out some stuff about it. Hold my strays. Instructions. Starting at the roots, brush your flyaways and baby hair down. Sleek hair anywhere. Throw into your bag for easy touch-ups and no flakes ever. So that's cool. I guess it's just to keep your frizziness down, which I have a lot of frizz, so that might be very helpful. For those who don't know, quickie is the term given to an activity that is exactly that, quick. I think we all knew that, but alright. There are many types of quickies, but to be clear, this one tames your flyaways. Okay, so it's not that kind of quickie. Good to know. Next we have this, and I don't know what this is either, but this is from St. Luxe. Oh, this is from St. Luxe, and this is a brow gel. I hope it's my color or clear. Clear is my preferred preference when it comes to a brow gel, but let's check it out. Alright, so it's in a black tube, so I'm going to have to open it to find out, which I kind of don't like, unless it tells me that it's... Oh no, it says it's clear, so we are in the clear. I am excited for that. Let's see what kind of spoolie it has. Okay, because I will be using this since it's clear, and that's a pretty decent spoolie for this kind of product. I'm happy with it. I like a thicker spoolie, and yeah, I will be using this. I don't know how it works, obviously, but I will find out. Then we have this. Oh, is this brushes? I always love getting brushes, and this is a beautiful bag. Elena Badro? I don't know, but I'm excited if it's brushes, and I think that's what it is, so let's open her up. This is a beautiful case too. I love the texture. It's got this like velvety feel to it. I don't know if that's the right word actually, but it's nice. Ooh, these brushes are so pretty. I love the blue. Okay, Elena Badro, you are coming through. And I definitely will use this one for like bronzer. I love an angled brush for my bronzer, so that's a good one. And I'll use this for my eyeshadows. This is a very nice tapered brush. And I can use this for my brows. I don't usually use a brush like this, but when I do my red brows, which you haven't seen here in a minute, but when I do the red brows, I do like a brush like this, an angled liner brush, whatever you want to call it. I can use that for that. So I am sold on the brushes. Then we have this, and what is this? Let's see. This is from Dr. Brandt, a beautiful brand that I do love. This is the Triple Antioxidant Eye Cream. Okay, I have a few eye creams right now. I don't know if I need this at the moment, but I will definitely be looking into it later on. I'm not going to open it, but I will show you what it looks like. So this is the tube it comes in. Very similar to a lot of their products, and I think it's beautiful. So I will probably use that in the future, but maybe I'll pass it on if I don't know. I do have a lot of eye creams right now, so we'll see. And last, I think, but not least, is going to be this Blink Ultra Longwear and Effortless Glow Getter Face Palette. Okay, I'm actually excited because we've been getting a lot of palettes, but usually eyeshadow palettes from Boxycharm. So I'm excited for a face palette. This is what the palette looks like, a beautiful burgundy color. I love that. Kind of matches my eye look today. If you haven't seen the eye look, it should be up by now, and this is from the Retro palette from Natasha Denona. I did 4 looks and a review, so go ahead and check that out. I'll try to remember to link it in the cards. Ooh, okay, this is pretty. It's got some bronzers, some blush, some highlighters. Very beautiful. I will swatch this now for you, so let's go ahead and do that. mistaken, there is only blushes and highlighters in here. I thought there was a bronzer, but I do think it's a blush, and they all swatch very beautifully. Obviously, they're blushes and highlighters, so they're going to be a little less pigmented than an eyeshadow would, so swatches are a little bit hard to tell how it's going to look on the face. However, I think they felt really nice and silky smooth, very beautiful. The highlighters, most of them I think will work for me, except for this darkest shade, but I could use that as a glowy blush, and I think it would work perfectly, so I am really happy about this palette. So now let's check how much everything retails for. So we have the card here, and it tells you the prices of everything on the back, so let's go through it. The first product on here is the Blink Glow Getter Face Palette, and this retails for $50. Ooh, that's expensive. But you do get 8 shades, which is a lot, and I think there's going to be a good amount of product in here. There is 17.6 grams, so that is a lot, and I mean, they did feel really nice. I haven't tried them on my face, obviously, so I can't say if it's worth it to me, but I am excited to have it nonetheless. Then we have the brush set, and the brush set retails for $58 for 3 brushes in a bag. That is ridiculous in my opinion. I have brushes that I've gotten off Amazon for like $13 for an entire set of 10, and they work beautifully. Doe Color and Jessup, beautiful brushes and do work really well. So I don't think $58 is a fair price in my opinion, but some people like to spend their money on their brushes, and if that's the case, then maybe these will be really good quality. I didn't feel them. Let me feel them really quickly to see how soft they are. They are quite soft, but I do also have brushes from Shop Missa that I picked up recently in this cute little box, and I think they're just as soft, honestly, and they were like $10 for the set, and you get way more than 3 brushes, so I don't know. Again, it's not something I would spend my money on, but you know, everyone likes to spend their money in different fields. I'm the type of person who would spend a lot of money on an eyeshadow palette, you know? Some people would rather spend it on their brushes. That's just, you know, how it is for certain people. So the next thing we have is the Dr. Brandt eye cream, and this retails for $46. Again, I would never spend that on an eye cream, but personally, eye cream isn't one of those fields that I want to spend my money on. So, you know, there's an eye cream from e.l.f. that I like a lot that I think is like $5, and it does the job for me, but you know, everyone's eyes are different, and some people need something a little bit stronger and better. And I'm sure that Dr. Brandt is going to be that, because they are a very high-end luxury brand and they do deliver. So that's just my opinion on it. Next we have the St. Luxe Beauty Brow Gel, which is this guy, and this guy retails for $22. Again, kind of high, but I don't know, I haven't tried it. Maybe it's worth it, who knows. And lastly, we have the Hair Essence, and this retails for, again, $22. I don't know, it might be my favorite thing ever because I do deal with frizz, and if this works with my frizzy hair, I might justify that price tag. I don't know yet. So now let me count everything up and tell you what the total box retails for. So this box retails for a total of $198, which is an amazing deal considering I only spent $25. This is the base box if you were unaware. So $25 for $198 profit. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that, and all the products this month I actually think I'll use. So that's pretty exciting for me. Usually Boxycharm throws in some things that I probably would pass on. So having a box full of hits is always a good thing for me, so definitely was a winner this month. But now let me go ahead and pull out the old Wheel of Fortune, and we will see who won the giveaway. So let me go grab that on my phone really quickly. Alright, now you should see a wheel right here on this screen, and I'm going to apply all of the names that entered the giveaway, and then we will spin it and see who won, and I'm super excited to do so. But again, you have to be subscribed to my channel, and you have to have your subscriptions open, so I'm going to have to be able to see that you're actually subscribed. So if I pick a winner and you're not, I'm gonna have to pick another winner. Also, this giveaway was not international, so hopefully y'all knew that. It wasn't a description box, but let's see who won. It's spinning, it's spinning, it's spinning. And our winner is Glamburger! I am super excited for you. I'm also super excited that it's a name I'm very familiar with. You do comment on a lot of my videos, so thank you so much. Let me go make sure you're subscribed, but I think that you are, so let's see. Glamburger. Okay, it appears here that you're subscribed to a lot of different channels, so honestly finding mine is going to be hard. So I'm just going to have you send me a screenshot that you're subscribed. If you could do that, that would be great. Leave your Instagram down below so we can get in contact, or your email, but that way I can ship you out your goodies. But congratulations to Glamburger. I'm so happy for you. But now let's close the video out with some thoughts about Boxycharm, because if you remember last month I said that I might be canceling my subscription, and I'm still on the fence. do you guys want to see these videos from me? Do you enjoy them? I get my vlogs so late. I feel like everyone already has their video out with it before mine can even be filmed, so I'm like kind of like, I don't know if I should continue doing it. I feel like mine don't do that well on YouTube, and also I do have a lot of makeup. I don't know if I can need to keep getting boxes sent to me, but I am still on the fence. If you guys love these videos, I will keep doing them, but if not, I think I am going to cancel my subscription. Not that Boxycharm is a bad subscription to have. Honestly, if you have a lot less makeup than me, it's a beautiful subscription to try new things, but I just have so much I don't even get to play with the things that I bought myself. So having things like this, it's like, do I really need it? I just don't know, and I don't like to overconsume, which I feel like I've been trying to cut back a lot, and I'm doing well, but not well enough. So this might be something I cut. Anyways, that's gonna do it for me today. I hope that you have a wonderful day and stay beautiful. Mwah.